Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make natural salsa from scratch. We will focus on using the freshest ingredients to achieve an incredibly vibrant flavor. First, gather your core components: ripe, firm tomatoes, a crisp onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a touch of heat, select either one jalapeno or one serrano pepper, depending on your preference. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten the entire taste profile. Now, let's prepare our produce. Begin by finely dicing your tomatoes and onion into small, uniform pieces. Next, carefully mince 2 fresh garlic cloves. This adds a wonderful aromatic depth. For your chosen pepper, dice it finely, remembering to remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer less heat. Finally, chop your fresh cilantro leaves, ensuring they are ready to be incorporated. With all your ingredients prepped, it is time to combine them. Place your diced tomatoes, onions, peppers, minced garlic, and chopped cilantro into a large mixing bowl. Squeeze in the juice of 1 whole fresh lime. This is essential for that classic salsa tang. Season your mixture with about a ½ teaspoon of salt and a ¼ teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure even distribution. For the best flavor, allow your salsa to chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial resting period permits all the individual flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. After chilling, give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or lime juice if desired. Your delicious, natural salsa is now ready to be served with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant accompaniment to your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.